This is described as the world's first portable cinema designed specifically for cars. The kit includes a compact 2K DLP projector with 700 lumens of brightness and an ultra-short throw lens. It also features a 32-inch screen that unfolds automatically at the press of a button and attaches to the roof using heavy-duty suction cups. The built-in battery supports up to 200 open and closed cycles. The system is controlled through an app, and audio connects to the car's sound system via Bluetooth. It costs $296.
This is a smart power hub, described as the industry's first dual-channel charger. It can charge portable power stations simultaneously from a vehicle's generator and from solar panels. With a combined output of up to 1,200 watts, it charges up to 13 times faster than a cigarette lighter. Its battery link technology allows users to run a fridge and charge devices while parked without draining the starter battery. It works with BLUETTI stations and about 95% of third-party brands and is controlled through an app. The price is $549.
These textile tire socks are presented as a modern alternative to traditional snow chains. They can be installed in about 3 minutes without the need for a jack. The high-strength fibers absorb moisture between the tire and the road, creating grip on snow without the hassle of metal chains. They are designed not to damage alloy wheels, work with ABS and ESP, and are approved in most US states and EU countries. They are also machine washable. The price ranges from $120 to $150. This is a cordless vacuum featuring a 225-watt brushless motor with a suction power of up to 23,000 pascals. It offers 3 modes: Boost for ground-in dirt, Standard for everyday cleanup, and Eco for lighter jobs. A cyclonic system maintains consistent suction, and the kit includes an air-blowing nozzle, allowing it to also clean keyboards and tight gaps. The price is $130. This in-console safe can be installed inside the center console without drilling, aligning with factory mounting points in about 10 minutes. The 12-gauge carbon steel body maintains a clean, factory look. It features a biometric lock that reads fingerprints in 1 second with a backup key. Spring-loaded hinges ensure the lid opens smoothly. Each version is designed for specific vehicles such as Ford, Toyota, and Chevy models. The price is $70. This is a 5-ton cordless hydraulic lift that can raise a car in about 90 seconds at the press of a button, either from the remote or directly on the unit. Its 4,000 mAh lithium batteries deliver 6 to 8 full lifts on a single charge and fully recharge in about 100 minutes. With a lift range of 16 to 45 centimeters, it works for sedans, crossovers, and pickups. It includes built-in LED lighting for nighttime jobs and weighs just 8 kilograms, making it easy to store in the truck. The price is $130. This is a 150 by 110 centimeter flannel electric blanket with built-in heating elements that runs off the cigarette lighter. It features snap buttons that turn it into a poncho-style wrap, keeping hands free on the wheel. It offers 2 heat levels with an automatic shutoff timer to protect the car battery from draining. The 2.3-meter cable reaches the rear seats, and the controller detaches, allowing the blanket to be machine washed. It's described as perfect for winter drives and camping, priced at $20. This 5-in-1 jump starter has a peak current of 3,000 amps and can start gasoline engines up to 9 liters and diesel engines up to 6.5 liters, even in temperatures ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to +60 degrees Celsius. It includes a built-in compressor rated at 10 atmospheres, which inflates a car tire in about 7 minutes. It also functions as a power bank with USB-C and USB-A ports for charging devices and an LED flashlight with an SOS mode. The price is $70. This hidden organizer is designed to sit beneath the central screen in the Model Y Juniper, covering model years 2019 to 2026, fitting with space perfectly according to factory dimensions. It uses a magnetic latch that opens quietly with one hand. The shell is made from durable ABS plastic with a non-slip silicone lining inside. It's a handy spot for a phone, glasses, cards, or a garage remote, keeping everything within reach but out of sight. Installation takes seconds with no tools or adhesive needed. The price is $42. This dashcam is highlighted as the industry's first to deliver true 360-degree coverage due to a 360-degree rotating mount paired with a 140-degree lens. It records in 4K using a Sony StarVis sensor, providing clear footage even at night. AI detects suspicious activity around a parked vehicle and automatically starts recording. It also supports 4G LTE for remote monitoring through the official app, along with voice control and built-in GPS. The price is $299. This flexible silicon funnel with an aluminum core can be shaped in any way needed to guide fluid flow precisely. The set includes two sizes, 50 by 20 centimeters for larger filler openings and 37 by 17 centimeters for hard-to-reach areas. The reinforced aluminum core resists cracking and tearing, and the funnel handles contact with oil, different fuels, and antifreeze without issues. It's easy to clean and rolls up compactly for storage. The price is $27. Designed for EV owners, this NACS to CCS adapter allows cars with a CCS1 port to plug into more than 25,000 Tesla supercharger stations. It is rated for 500 amps and 1,000 volts, delivering up to 240 kilometers of range in just 15 minutes. A dual locking mechanism prevents accidental disconnects, and its compact design fits easily in the glove compartment. It's compatible with Ford, GM, Rivian, Mercedes, and other brands with access to the Tesla network. The price is $183. This inflatable SUV mattress features 6 independent sections that adapt to almost any interior layout, whether across the rear seats, in the cargo area, or set up lengthwise with a thickness of 15 centimeters. It supports up to 300 kilograms. The kit includes an electric pump that plugs into the cigarette lighter, 2 inflatable pillows, and foot supports to prevent sliding. The flocked PVC surface feels soft and stays flexible down to -5 degrees. It deflates in about 6 minutes and packs away into a carry bag. The price is $70.